The other two patterns that I want to mention as we continue developing the page object pattern is the Yagni principle. It's not really a design pattern, it's more just a principle that says you aren't gonna need it, which means don't try to develop for something in the future that you don't need yet. This is a very common beginner mistake where you're trying to optimize things that will never need to be optimized, or you don't know if they're going to be optimized. So you try to code for something that may happen in the future, and if it doesn't, you've wasted time. And I actually did this a lot in the beginning, trying to think of situations of how I can handle every possible case. Completely silly, completely waste of time. You just need to code as fast as possible. Write what you need, following all of these principles, and be done with it. Solve the immediate problem and move on. Which leads to the next principle, which is just keep it simple, stupid. KISS. Just keep it simple. Keep your code simple, clean. Make sure that it's readable. Make sure that everything can be well understood and it's easy to follow. And if we do that, it will help us to make our code amazing, make our code easy to understand, easy to read, and easy to write, and easy to maintain. That's like a gold standard. That's exactly what every automation engineer wants, and very few automation engineers ever see. So keep all of these patterns in mind as we move on to actually creating our page objects. But before you move on to the next lecture, I would like for you to take some time and write all of these patterns on like a piece of paper or somewhere where you can see them, and put them in front of your computer so that whenever you're coding or writing any tests, you remember these patterns and you remember why we do what we do.